In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive a purchase order, all or part of it, in QuickBooks Online. To start, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and head to the Expenses area. From the left menu, choose Expenses and Pay Bills. This page shows your vendor transactions, including bills, expenses, and any purchase orders you've been working with. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the filters at the top to narrow by vendor, status, date, or transaction type so you're looking at the most relevant list. Next, locate the transaction tied to the purchase order you want to receive. Click into the expense you want to work with. In the transaction details, look for the Linked Transactions section. You should see a note indicating there is a linked bill, such as one linked bill. This tells you that the purchase order has already been turned into a bill. Click that linked bill line to continue. You'll be taken to the bill itself. This bill is populated from the purchase order, so think of it as your receiving document. What you confirm here is what QuickBooks will treat as received. Take a moment to review the vendor, bill date, due date, terms, and the bill number if you use one. Then, focus on the line items. Check each item's description, rate, and especially the quantity. If you receive the entire order, leave the quantities as they are, since they reflect the full purchase order. If you received only part of the order, adjust the quantity on the lines to match exactly what arrived. For example, if the purchase order was for 10 units and you only received 6, change the quantity on that line to 6. QuickBooks will record this as a partial receipt and keep the remaining quantity open on the purchase order for later. You can also add notes in the memo field and attach packing slips or receipts so everything is documented in one place. Before saving, verify the amounts, tax if applicable, the category or item details, and the account coding. Make sure the bill date reflects when you're recognizing the receipt, and the due date aligns with your vendor terms. When everything looks correct, select Save and Close. That's it. If you entered full quantities, the purchase order will be fully received and closed. If you entered partial quantities, the purchase order will remain open for the outstanding items, and you can come back later to bill the rest when they arrive. To keep tabs on what's left, you can check your open purchase orders from the expenses area or run your usual purchasing reports.